So this is just a quick demo on how to find wage and occupation data using the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. So we will, of course, start at their homepage, which is bls.gov. This is where you'll find the Bureau of Labor Statistics, which is part of the United States Department of Labor. Okay, and this group is a federal agency and they are responsible for collecting data and measuring things about working in the US. So things like working conditions, price changes, other information about the economy. And if you want some of that general national information, you can easily scroll down here and see on this right side, there's a bunch of information. We can get a quick idea that unemployment rate in September is 3.7% nationally, okay? But we are looking more specifically for some information on wage and occupation. So we could do a search here. I find the search is a little tricky on here. I guess there's just so much data and information on the BLS website that it's kind of tricky to navigate. But I have had a lot of success using the data tools and using the subject area listing. So if we take a look at this subject listing here, we can see that there's information on inflation, unemployment, employment, productivity, and quickly you can imagine that you would click on this and get the national unemployment rate, click in here and get the national employment rate. But we are interested in wages, which would fall under pay, of course, and benefits. So we can look, there's employment cost, national compensation data, and then we have wages by area and occupation. And I think that's going to help us here. So let's click on that. So right away, we can see they have national wage data by state, and wage data by metropolitan area. So we could actually look at a specific city and see how the wages are different there compared to a different city or area. So if we look at the national wage data for over 800 occupations, we click on that and we can see there's a listing of different occupational groups. We can look at management occupations, and we can see here that advertising and promotion managers are making mean hourly wage of $59.56 and an annual mean wage of $123,000, right? So we could search this list by just doing like a Control F, of course. So this is the national data, but we also want to find some more specifics. So we want to look at a specific state. So we can just click back here for a second and go, of course, down to this wage data by state. So let's click on that one. We can pick our state. Let's look at California, see if it's different out there. And again, we could look at all occupations. We could look at management occupations. Again, it's one listing, so you could just do a search. So here, let's look at that same advertising and promotion managers, and we can see that they're making 58.68 and 122.50, which is very similar, just below the national average. So clearly there are some places that you might be able to make more than that, and other places that you would make less than that national average. So it was pretty quick and easy to find this occupational employment and wage estimates for a specific state. We just went straight and easy up to these subject areas here. So hopefully that helps you find the data that you're looking for.